Hi everyone. Today we're diving into one of the biggest headaches facing data teams, handling dynamic schemas in ETL workflows. So if you've ever experienced like pipeline crashes because a column name has unexpectedly changed overnight, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We're going to explore why traditional ETL tools often struggle and how we leveraged LLMs to create smarter, more flexible solutions in our own project, Cashflow-Viz. First off, let's set the stage. ETL is extract, transform, and load, is the backbone of modern analytics. But it was originally built for fixed schemas, tables that rarely changed. In the real world, data is messy and constantly evolving. New columns appear, fields get renamed, JSON blobs suddenly replace structured CSVs, and every minor tweak can crash a traditional ETL pipeline. Imagine your bank suddenly introduces a new column, let's call it TXN category V2. The traditional SQL based pipelines freeze up instantly. Your nightly data job fails, engineers scramble to patch scripts, and your analytics stall out for days. This is not sustainable. So why exactly do these traditional rule-based systems struggle? Well, first of all, they're brittle. They rely on explicit column definitions, fixed data types, and precise regex patterns, regular expression patterns. Any schema adjustment means hours or even days spent manually updating all the mapping rules. Each tweak increases maintenance costs significantly, slowing your ability to adapt to new business needs. Plus, rule engines simply match strings. They don't understand the meaning or the context. They can't automatically recognize that cash in and cash deposit mean essentially the same thing. Every change demands human intervention, which is inefficient, frustrating, and expensive. But here's the exciting part. There's a better way: large language models. LLMs like GPT-4o understand the context. They embed field names into values. They embed field names and values into a semantic space, meaning they automatically recognize similarities. For example, TXN amount and transaction value are immediately understood as closely related fields. Recent research shows GPT models can automatically map data fields across different systems with over 90% accuracy, cutting down integration time by fivefold. And when combined with techniques like RAG, these models intelligently pull schema definitions on the fly, ensuring they correctly interpret even completely new data structures. This shift is so significant. The industry is moving from traditional ETL towards a more adaptive approach: extract, contextualize, load. So how do you practically integrate LLMs into your workflow? It's a lot simpler than you might think. It just involves 4 steps. First, extraction. Using robust connectors like Apache Beam or Airbyte, you reliably pull raw data from diverse sources. Next, LLM powered mapping. We pass this raw data through a LangChain based pipeline leveraging GPT-4o. This automatically returns clean, structured JSON with canonical field names. Third is validation. If the model's confidence dips below a set threshold, let's say 95%, data is sent simply to a human validation interface, and this creates a self-improving feedback loop. Finally, you load your trusted data into your warehouse, with Airflow continuously monitoring accuracy. This makes the entire ETL process adaptive, reliable, and highly automated. Let's talk results. Our real-world case study, Cashflow-Viz. We handle financial data from more than 15 banks, each frequently updating their statement formats. Previously, every quarterly change meant hours of painful manual recoding. Now, with our GPT-4 powered pipeline, statements, whether PDFs or CSVs, are automatically parsed into a consistent format: date, description, debit, and credit. Impressively, this pipeline has seamlessly handled 12 schema updates over the past year with zero manual ETL edits and achieved consistent accuracy of above 98%. Here's a quick example. Recently, a bank added a entirely new column called FX fees. Our LLM pipeline automatically adapted, instantly integrated this new field without missing a beat. Let's sum it all up clearly. Why exactly should you consider adopting LLM-powered ETL workflows? First of all, flexibility. LLMs dynamically handle unexpected columns and complex nested structures without manual coding, which drastically simplifies data ingestion. Next is accuracy. Because LLMs understand data semantically, they avoid the common mapping errors made by rigid rule-based tools. Efficiency is also a major win. With Cashflow-Viz development hours dropped by around 70% and our pipeline downtime plummeted to under 1 hour per month. Companies leveraging platforms like AWS Bedrock are seeing similar speedups, analyzing statements faster than ever before. And finally, future proofing. The same LLM driven pipeline can effortlessly integrate new features like sentiment analysis, multilingual data, or entity recognition without needing major redevelopment, making your data strategy adaptable for years ahead. The message here is clear. LLM powered ETL isn't just innovative, it's practical, proven, and ready for your workflow. Tools like LangChain, Apache Beam, Airbyte, and cloud providers such as AWS and Azure already support production grade integration, allowing you to start small, iterate quickly, and scale confidently. So if you're tired of ETL headaches and constant firefighting, it's time to join the future. Reach out to us directly to collaborate. Let's build smarter pipelines together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments or questions below. Until next time.